noches, compañeros, profesora. Voy a poner mi video de My Job Intervene. Estoy haciendo solo por motivo de que el compañero con el que iba a hacer nunca me respondió. Tuve que hacerlo solo. Bueno, entrevista número 1. Bruno, good morning, Miguel. Thank you very Beijing High Turtle. Termin while I have you been working out lately. And what salage those team your call brings to audibus. Miguel, good morning, Bruno. I am correctly board. I want to develop a navigation system for unmanned aircraft. My main responsibility has, has been optimizing Finnish control algorithm using MATLAB and Simulan to run real-time simulation improving performance. Bruno, that sounds very interesting. Well, Challenger had you facets active protect. Miguel, fun, often breaching challenges, watch engines, efficiency, communication, performance sensors, and sync control systems. 5 milestone both latency. That's requiring I found refining my coding optimization on data processing skills. Bruno, that's the real Miguel. Those seems our streaming support projects as good than sharing home experience. Miguel, thank you. Bruno, I am very excited about the possibility of joining your team. Bueno, vamos a la entrevista 2. Bruno, good morning, Miguel. Thank you for joining us today. Could you tell about your recent experience and since you bring your awareness? Miguel, sure, Bruno. Good morning. Good I am working in a project managing a technology company. My high lay immobiles, coordination, international chain and jury touch protect and completed. I stand with Bruno. That are impressive. What specific skills do you think map that brought relevant to our work? Miguel, my project managed experience, particularly with tool like Samsung Micro Protect, while they heavily valuing I also have experience in budget optimization, processing efficiency, and rate management, which are essential uh, for larger projects. Bruno, excellent, Miguel. Top switch and excellent workload for adjunctions. Thank you for sharing your experience. Miguel, Dr. Bruno, I am really excited about the opportunity to contribute to iReboot. Eso sería todo. Gracias.